In this video, I will show you how to fix. You'll need to provide administrator permission to delete this folder error in Windows 11. Right-click on your folder. Click on Properties. Go to the Security tab. Click on Advanced. Click on Change. Type Everyone. Click Check Names. Click OK. Tick the box that says Replace Owner on Subcontainers and Objects. Also, tick the box that says Replace all child object permission entries. Click Apply, then Yes, then OK. Now click on Edit. Click on Add. Type Everyone again. Click Check Names, then OK. Tick all the boxes under Allow to give full control. Click Apply and then OK. Now right-click on your folder and click on Delete. The folder will be deleted.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.